This is the magic question you can ask on every sales call, no matter what objection you get. So let's say you're on a sales call and you drop the price, right? You tell the prospect it's gonna be $1,000 for a 12-week program. And they ask you, is that paid in full? The magic question is, what do you mean by that specifically? The reason you're gonna ask this question, even if you understand exactly what they mean by that, is you're gonna get the prospect out of their head and get them verbalizing their thoughts. This will also give you more time to assess how the prospect is actually feeling so that you can get to the root of their actual objection. This question works for every objection. So let's say you drop the price. So you tell them it's $1,000 for a 16-week program. And the prospect goes, is that paid in full? Most of you guys will be like, yeah, it's the paid in full because we find that the clients that pay in full are more committed and that way you're in for a longer term and blah, 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 blah. But when you do this, now your prospect has more time to think, get in their head. Plus you just gave them a bunch of new information when they're already thinking about the price. And so they're gonna tell you that they need to think about it. So instead of doing that, you're gonna ask them a very simple question. What do you mean by that specifically? Even if you know exactly what the prospect means, getting them to explain and verbalize their thoughts will allow you to figure out what their actual objection is and prevent them from getting in their head. Now the prospect will stay in the buying pocket and you're significantly more likely to overcome the real objection, and then you can close. Follow for more value.